Hey guys, what's up? I just thought I would show you these two different lap desks from Amazon just so you could kind of see a comparison and help to decide what's best for you. They're both going to get the job done. Both seem to be really well made, but there are a couple of key features that are a little bit different, so I'll show you kind of what those are. First of all, you're going to have this cut out on both of them. Although this one has this little circular thing here, and I was thinking you probably set like an iPad screen in this. Maybe there is another function that folks might use that for, so not sure what that circular thing would be, but if that is for you, that is there. Then we have a cup holder on each. So this one has the cup holder here, and then this one, the cup holder is on the other side and actually has a little hole in it. So I suppose if you spill something, it could drain out the bottom, and that could be good or bad depending on what your preference is as to what happens there. I'd probably like for mine to drain out the bottom. If I'm going to have like a computer on here, I wouldn't want something overflowing, but you know, that sort of thing's probably not going to happen very often, but that is a difference in the two of these. They both have a handle. This one is built into the top of the tray, and this one is here. But you can carry both of them with a handle. Now, one of the key differences is the way that they fold up. So they both have legs. I want to say that this one is just a hair taller. Maybe it's not. It almost seemed like it. Yeah, just like a little bit, like really just slightly taller. They both have like metal legs with cushions on them. The legs on this one are a little bit bigger round on the this one over here. And then the main key difference is for storage. For this one, they both have legs that fold in like that, but then this one then also folds in half again, and so then you can carry it, and it's about a briefcase size. Whereas this one folds flat, so you just fold the legs up like that, and then you carry it like this. So you can see when they're folded, this one takes up a smaller space as far as it's like not as wide and long, but it is more thick, of course, because it's folded in half, whereas this one might be able to fit in more of a slim space. Anyway, that is the difference between the two. They both seem really well made. They're going to get the job done. I do have my laptop over here, so I'm just going to set it on each so that you can see just the size of that. Now, this is, I think, is a 15 point something inch laptop. It's a pretty large laptop. But you have plenty of space there to have the laptop there, still have a drink in place. Of course, some people might be using this just as a food tray, where you're gonna, but you have space on here for like a plate and a bowl at the same time on either one of these. I'm just gonna leave this flat, and we'll put the laptop on this one so that you can see it. And there we have like the laptop there. Of course, you could put the laptop over the handle on this one too if you needed a little more space on the side. And then you can see here, you got plenty of space with the laptop on here at the same time. So anyway, yeah, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.